You are diving headfirst into the world of crypto, buzzing with excitement. You've heard about this thing called Beam, and you're ready to jump in. But then, a nagging question hits you. Wait, is Beam a wallet, or is it an exchange? You're not alone. This is a question that stumps a lot of newcomers, and even some seasoned crypto enthusiasts. So, let's clear up the confusion, shall we? The crypto space is a labyrinth, filled with terms that can overlap and blur the lines. We've got wallets, exchanges, platforms, protocols. It's a lot to take in. And Beam, with its focus on privacy and scalability, adds another layer of intrigue. To understand Beam, we need to break down these core concepts. First, let's talk about wallets. A crypto wallet, at its simplest, is a tool that allows you to interact with a blockchain. It doesn't actually store your cryptocurrency in the same way your physical wallet stores cash. Instead, it holds your private keys, which are essential for accessing and managing your digital assets on the blockchain. Think of it as a keychain that unlocks your digital vault. Wallets come in various forms: hardware wallets, software wallets, mobile wallets, and even paper wallets. Each offers different levels of security and convenience. Now, let's shift our focus to exchanges. A cryptocurrency exchange is a platform where you can buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrencies for other digital assets or fiat currencies like dollars or euros. Exchanges act as intermediaries, matching buyers and sellers and facilitating transactions. They provide liquidity and enable price discovery, making it easier to convert your crypto holdings. So, where does Beam fit into this picture? Beam, fundamentally, is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency that operates on its own blockchain. It's designed to offer secure and confidential transactions using the Mimblewimble protocol. And to interact with the Beam blockchain, you need a Beam wallet. The Beam wallet is a piece of software that allows you to send, receive, and store Beam tokens. It's your gateway to the Beam network, providing the essential tools to manage your Beam holdings. You can't use a Bitcoin wallet or an Ethereum wallet to interact with Beam. You need a wallet specifically designed for the Beam blockchain. However, it's important to note that the Beam ecosystem also includes integrations with exchanges. You can buy and sell Beam tokens on various cryptocurrency exchanges. This means that while Beam itself isn't an exchange, it's accessible through exchanges. The exchange is the platform where you trade, and the wallet is where you store and transact your Beam. The confusion often arises because the Beam wallet, like many modern crypto wallets, can integrate some exchange-like functionalities. You might see features that allow you to swap or trade Beam for other cryptocurrencies directly within the wallet interface. But these are usually integrations with decentralized exchanges or swap services, not the wallet itself acting as a full-fledged exchange. The wallet is still primarily a tool for managing your Beam tokens, while the exchange is the platform for trading. So, to be crystal clear, Beam is a cryptocurrency, and you use a Beam wallet to manage your Beam tokens. You can buy and sell Beam on cryptocurrency exchanges. Think of it as having a safe for your valuables, the wallet, and a marketplace where you can trade them, the exchange. They serve different but complementary purposes. Understanding this distinction is crucial for navigating the crypto space effectively. It helps you grasp the functionalities of different platforms and tools, ensuring you can manage your digital assets securely and efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.